Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Center. We are delighted to offer this awesome Harley Davidson Pan America 1250 Special. Registered the 2nd of August 2021 on a 21 plate, with 8,578 miles, and presented in Gauntlet Grey. The Pan America Special is adorned with high-end features, which includes a 6.8 inches TFT color touchscreen, adjustable windscreen, Bluetooth connectivity, and navigation through the Harley app. 7 rider modes: hill hold, lean-sensitive ABS, LED adaptive cornering headlight, cruise control, heated grips, tire pressure monitoring, as well as Harley's adaptive ride height. This lowers the bike by 5 centimeters when stationary, which is a major confidence booster. This particular example also benefits from the must-have Harley panniers, laced wheels, a tremendous sounding Screaming Eagle titanium exhaust, and Denali spotlights. Powered by 150 brake horsepower 1250 V-twin, this high-spec adventure bike is just waiting for you and the open road. This superb high-spec example comes serviced where required with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, a 12-month MOT, and a 3-month warranty. You can even extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for added reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, as well as a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. Please note we have a small £75 admin fee applicable to all of our bikes. For more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us on 01424 44 44 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.